Dear traders, in this video I'm going to talk about the RSI Histo Alert strategy. The strategy is very simple to use, and this strategy is giving very good results even on the smaller time frames, and even if you are consulting the higher time frames, the strategy is very good. Okay guys, before I start with the strategy, if you have not subscribed FX Mentor, please subscribe the YouTube channel and share this video with everyone. And guys, please make sure that when I upload the video on YouTube, please watch the full video so that you should not miss any kind of strategy, because during the video upload I also provide you some free tricks inside the video, so please make sure that you watch the full video. Okay guys, if you look at the strategy is very simple, because you can see that we have two type of colors, green and red. So the green color stands for that when there is a middle line, you can see there is a middle line in between these two levels, and this is kind of a red line. So when the market crosses the red line and it goes up, let me take an arrow, I can show you from here to here. So when the market crosses the red line and goes up, then it will change its color to green, and once you are into the green pattern, you can take your buy positions. And when it is basically telling you about the trend direction, because the trend is very important for us, and that is why most of the traders are used to use RSI trading strategy. Okay, now look at this point, and now look at this point as well, and now look at this point that we are here, and the market was into the downward direction, and you can see the it's kind of a histogram that turned into the red color, and you can see that through up to here at this point, because if you look at this candle, that here we had the downward trend on the 15-minute chart, and then again you can see we have some green moves coming over here, and you can see again the market pumped up. And right now, I mean, for example, if you are into the trade as per this indicator, you must be in a buy position, not a sell position, because the histogram is still green and we do not have any kind of red signs, right? So this is the gold 15-minute chart that we have discussed. Let's have a look on USD CHF. It was the downward trend. Look at here. So guys, if you will be able to choose the trending markets like we have seen on USD CHF, and look at this pattern from here, it has turned into the red color, and you can see a sweet downward trend has appeared on the chart, right? Let's have a look on the other pairs like Euro USD. It's turning into red and already pushing down, and previously for the small time it was turned green, and then here we have the green area, the market pumped up. So overall the results are very good. I mean, you can use this indicator in combination from my past video indicators, and you can find the best indicator for yourself. Okay, now let's have a look on USD JPY 15-minute. You can see that we are getting into the sell signal, the first red line appear of the histogram, so possibly the market can go further down from this area, right? Let's have a look at how this indicator is performing on the smaller time frame. So let's go back to gold again, and let's see that is that good for scalping. Okay, so look at here, we are into the green zone almost. Okay, green zone. Okay, here we have a green zone, but you can see the gold is kind of ranging pattern here. You need to choose the trending market pattern. Like for example, this is the good pattern where we have the downtrend and where we have the uptrend. Okay, so let's analyze here. So look at here, the histogram turned green and the market simply went into the upward direction. Here turned red, it has the drop, you can see the drop. And let's talk about at this point that here we had the sell signal, and you can see the market is into the downward direction. So overall guys, I think so that's very good. So all you need to do is to choose the volatile pairs and do not trade the slow momentum of the market. Otherwise you can get stuck, because slow momentum means you can stuck anywhere. Like for example, look at the USD JPY. This is a classical slow momentum, so we cannot trade that one, because you can expect random signals. Even on USD CAD, it's completely flat. Okay, this is kind of a good pattern, Great Britain Pound JPY. Now look at here, histogram turned red, and you can see still it's into the red color, and overall the efficient and the perfect results are coming. Even look at here on AUD JPY. So JPY pairs are performing very well, and the gold is also very good. So the main thing that you need to focus while using this indicator is volatility, right? The indicator name, guys, it's RSI Histo Alert Strategy by H. Porter, and it has 76 downloads at the moment. So please guys, it's a completely free indicator. You can download it from TradingView. So guys, what do you think about this indicator? Please must share your results and whatever you trade with this indicator. So please must comment into the comment box. Moreover guys, please make sure that you must subscribe the FX Mentor, and thank you for watching this video.